Welcome to another Kartra funnel review by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. At the end of this video, you will discover the Lion's funnel score and how effective the funnel is. Is it even worth trying or buying? Is it better or worse than some of the other funnels? Can it be improved, or is it a complete waste of time? We will provide you with the verdict. Is the funnel poor, average, good, very good, or outstanding quality? And we'll summarize the value by listing the pros and cons. Let's get started. Kartra funnel review number 3, squeeze page campaign. So what is the squeeze page campaign? It's one of the free Kartra funnels that uses either a pop-up or a distracting link to a landing page where you advertise a free product in exchange for the individual's email address. Very similar to a lead magnet where you give a freebie in exchange for their free email address. We have 3 pages, 2 tags, 2 forms, and 1 video in this campaign. And here is a chart, and we'll cover that in more depth in Kartra. Ready to go? Let's dive in. Let's begin by importing a campaign from the list of available campaigns. So deploy the campaign with a unique prefix. Dismiss or watch the welcome video, and let's take a look at the assets in this campaign. So let's go to tags. We have 2 tags, opt-in A, opt-in B. Good. What's next? Videos. We have 1 video that is likely a placeholder video. There it is. This video just shows how to use the campaign itself, just basic chart in the description. And going to forms now, we have 2 different forms, opt-in A and opt-in B. I'll explain in a moment why there are 2 different forms and what's their usage. So let's go to pages. And we have squeeze A, squeeze B, and a thank you page. According to the chart, we should have 2 pages, opt-in A, opt-in B, that takes us to a thank you page, and a follow-up email sequence should be triggered as well. And we find these pages in Kartra. So we have squeeze A. I already opened all 3 pages as separate tabs. So squeeze A, very simple page, just a proof of concept, I suppose. I'm going to log in with a test email address. There is this Gmail hack that allows me to add the plus sign on my email, on my test email. Please don't email me at this address. I don't check this email at all. It's just used for testing. So when I submit now, it takes me to a thank you page that has a video. Actually, this is a good flow, very effective. Squeeze page B, accepting GDPR, different button color, and same thank you page. And this is the thank you page open on its own. So we are good. That's good. Now, there's a trigger that should be added as a result of this action. So let's go to my communications. We have now 2 leads, test A and test B. Great. Now, why would I have this type of split, and why do we support this, what's known as a split testing? Your traffic from social media can be directed to page A and page B in the same proportion. So 50% of the traffic will go to one branch and 50 go to the other branch. And you might get better results on one page than the other. In this case, it's probably a mute idea, because there is no difference between these pages. But typically what you would do is customize those pages, add different images, maybe different colors, different font sizes, and see which one converts better. I have been received or assigned tags correctly, but I don't see email sequences being assigned. This sometimes takes a bit of time. So let's see, are there any email sequences? Oh, that's interesting. This campaign doesn't deliver any email sequences. Let me pull up the flow chart and show you a couple of issues that I've noticed. So according to the chart, there should be a follow-up sequence. So the chart is not correct. There's no email sequence. Is it a big deal? Not really, but you could create it from scratch. But why would you have to do that? At the end of the day, this should be done because it's been promised. Let's take a look at one more image. This is the list of assets, and you can see there's no sequence in this campaign. Therefore, it's false advertising. I'll have to remove some points from a final score. The funnel is very simple, but it definitely has a technical error. So this is the end of the technical review. Let me tabulate the score and share the results with you. This funnel scored 17.2, which is low on the Lion funnel score, with a basic score of 6 and some adjustments for functionality, originality, and no documentation. There were a few errors there, and we have removed the points for these errors. So what's the verdict? Poor. I wouldn't use this funnel. There was nothing there that you couldn't recreate from scratch, and the only positive is, to be honest, that it's free. Yeah, it does give you a basic structure, but it's not really worth your effort. It is a valid concept, but it has the missing email sequence, very weak copy, very weak graphics, nothing there I would use, and there is also error in the chart. If you find this content useful, click on like and subscribe. It helps our channel, and you'll get notified when we post the new content. So thank you in advance. Visit our page for more information and to join our free membership with Kartra tips and tricks and free downloadable funnel templates. Do you want to be part of the community and have the access to live Q&As? Join us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Next video is coming soon.